Ozonation is a very popular technology for water and wastewater treatment, but it is not so easy to pilot and to experiment with ozonation, and this is very critical to assess the technology. Typically, before implementing an ozonation system, professionals engage in very expensive, very time-consuming and very complex piloting and on-site trialing. And actually these experiments, they are very demanding in terms of staff, in terms of costs, in terms of equipment you have to put on site. And also it's not very easy if you have limited experience with ozonation. Next to that, your testing freedom is very, very limited. And still at the end of such a process, you have so many uncertainties remaining. So that's why our company actually developed Amazon. So this is a simulation model specifically for ozonation and advanced oxidation. It's based on a lot of chemistry, a lot of chemical equations, but actually we use the model to completely replace on-site testing with computer simulation. And of course it has many benefits because you have nearly unlimited testing freedom. You can test different dosing strategies, different strategies to suppress bromate formation. Virtual runs take a few weeks compared to over a year to several years compared to real piloting. And obviously the cost is a fraction of it. We are talking about a cost reduction of 90% compared to on-site testing. Next to that, I think the insights gained are very, very important. You really learn the stuff you want to learn to have a proper assessment of the technology for your process. And second, if you look at future full-scale design, this model and knowledge can be used for that. Currently, we are using Amazon to help professionals worldwide with virtual piloting. And I think you really should not go real piloting before you have checked out this option.